So in this video, I'm going to show you the best no-code AI website builders you can use right away. These are AI tools that you can use to build a complete website, and you can either import it into WordPress or you can use it to sell a pitch to your client. I'm going to show you right away. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If these are things you love, please subscribe to my channel and let's get right into it. In my previous video, I've taught how to use ChatGPT to build a WordPress website in just a few minutes. In another video, I taught about how to use Relume to also build a website you can actually export to Figma and all of that. In this particular video, how to use Lovable to build a website. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to paste my prompt here so that we can go straight away. But if you land on Lovable, this is what you will see. For the first time, you will see your home. Here you can search for designs or projects you have actually done in the past. You can see resources. If you have resources you want to bring in here, or the ones you already have, you can always see them here. You can see resources, featured apps, and all of that. So you can see app builders. These are tools you can use. You can use icon stack to get icons for your projects and all of that. This is where you see them, and then this is where you see your projects. These are projects that you have already started, the ones your favorite projects, the ones created by you, the ones shared with you by someone else. The person shares it with you and you open it. This is where you see it. So this is where you can actually upgrade, and let's see what it costs to upgrade to Lovable. If you feel like you want to upgrade, it's going to cost you to upgrade to their pro plan, which is 25 euros. So you can also switch to dollar if you are in a country where dollar is their currency, right? This is what it will cost you to upgrade. Let's go right now. I'm using a free account, so I just want to show you so that you can get started. If you love it, you can consider subscribing. So on the home page, this is where you're going to type your prompt. So I'm going to paste this prompt I have here. I've already created the prompt, and I'll also leave the link to download the prompt so that you can use it. You can create your prompt with ChatGPT, bring it here to build your project. So here you can see templates, you can see my projects that I have done, or the ones you have done. This is where you see it. I just showed you around. I'm going to click on go now. Let's see what Lovable can do for us. So as you can see, I have 3 credits remaining. Each project you build consumes your free credit, so it is still building. Can you see analyzing layout, goals and sections and all of that? I already gave it a detailed description of what it's going to build for me. As soon as it has built it, I will preview it. I can see the code here and all of that. So we're going to see them together. Let's wait for it to create. It is getting ready. Lovable has done justice to this. Can you see? Lovable has given us a fantastic website. It has actually built this website for us. This is fantastic. This is amazing. I feel like publishing this website and handing it over to businesses that have it. With this now, I can publish this particular website and then go to Google, find businesses that actually need this. This is a chiropractic website, right, for wellness and fitness businesses. So I can decide to publish it, copy the link, use an email to pitch them that they can get a website like this for a minimum of $1,000, and then I'll close the clients, and that is it, right? So this is beautiful. It has done justice to this. You see what Lovable has done. You don't even need to buy domain and hosting for you to pitch clients or sell websites to them. You can use Lovable to build a website, sell it to them, and then you make money. I love what I'm seeing here. If you want to publish it, you can publish it here. So I'm going to preview it now. Let me preview the website. Okay, this is just the preview here. Then if you want to see the code, this is the code. Fantastic. This is the code. This is the preview, right? This is the design itself. So this is how the design looks like. You can decide to make changes to it here if you want. So this is the theme. It uses the visual edits and all of that. Let's see. This is the cloud storage, and this is the preview. Let's see. This is analytics, and let's see what we have here. So you can see the speed, the security, and all of that. This is absolutely amazing. So let me see the preview again, so I can decide if I'm okay with this. I can do what? Publish it. I'm okay with it. I just click publish, and that is it, which I'm going to do in no distant. But let me look at this again. I'm going to close this site. So let's see how this looks. Look at it. Can you see? This is just what we have built. I did this with just a prompt. Let's see the design aspect, what we should expect. So I'm going to put this out there. So let's see the theme it uses. Can you see? So you can decide to change your colors if you're not comfortable with the colors I have here. So if you use this, if you apply this, this is what you will see. If you apply this, this is what you will get. So let me see, let me apply this particular one. If you apply this theme, it's going to change everything here, but I think I love the other theme, blue, or the green one. Let's see how it looks like. Blue is associated with health in ways. If you talk about health, the color psychology for blue is always health related. It is still applying the theme which I have chosen. Let's wait for it. This is a conversion optimized website. So let's say live without back and neck pain. This is speaking to the audience that need it, so they can actually want to book this and this. So let's see, it is still applying this. Let's wait for it. Okay, fantastic. So it has actually applied the theme I specified earlier. So let me go back to the design. Let's see visual edits. Let's say the button, I want to make changes to the button. Let's say I want to actually customize the button. You can click on the button. You can click on the button, write whatever you want. So whatever you want to write here, book now, that is fine. You can write that right away. You can edit in code as well. You can come to the code and edit. If you want, it has both code and visual edit. So let's see the button. This is the button component. So let's go back to the edit. So this is how the website looks like. If you want to build this, this is fantastic, which you can do. If you want to see how this particular website looks on desktop, mobile, and tablet, so this is where you do, you just click on here. This is tablet, this is mobile. This is how it looks like on mobile, right? It is mobile responsive, as you can see. It is mobile responsive. What are we going to do now? What we can do now is we can actually open it in a new tab. Let's see how it looks like on the front end. So this is how this looks like on the front end. Can you see? When the client sees something like this, they will be able to hire you. They can't resist something like this for their business. How do you make money from this? You can use Lovable to build something like this, then go to businesses, go to Google, search for businesses that do not have a website, sell this design to them, show them that this is exactly what you can do for them. Use their business name to create something like this for them. Understand their business first. Like this particular business I made a research on, they are into health and wellness. I have built a website for them. I can copy the link, publish it, use their email to pitch this business to them, this website design to them, and that is how I can pick it up from there. So if they eventually hire me, I get paid. That is how AI has helped me close a deal without even buying domain and hosting, because I've not bought anyone now. I have a website they can look at and get convinced that I know what I'm doing and I can do something they love, right? That is the idea behind it. The truth behind it is that we're giving them exactly, they need to see what they should expect, what they will get hiring you, which is the design like this. When they see that, say, yes, we need something like this, and they love it, and you explain how it can help them generate more leads and close more clients or customers or patients for their business. So let me quickly switch to preview, and then I will publish this. So I want to publish it. This is the link here. I want to edit the link, so I can edit the link here and publish. I want to change this, so let me give it a name again. Sure. So this is the name I want to give this particular, so I want to give it this name and then publish it. So if I give it this name and publish it, the link will go live. The link is public, anybody can access it. So I continue. So if you want to, you can decide to write something here, upload a social media image here, but I'm not going to do that. Edit this. Let me give you the name of this business I'll be align well. So that is the name I'm giving this. So you can give it, can upload the right description here and all of that. So this is the preview of how this will look like. Can you see? This is not a business website, business website for chiropractor clinics. So I want to give, you can give it any name you like. So let's see what it gives us. So this is the preview of what this looks like. So you can decide to add an image here, generate an image here, social image that you want to use. I don't want to do that. Let me quickly click this, and then the URL. This is the URL. This is the, anyone can access it. This is it. So ready to publish. I publish it. So I can copy the link here. So it is fully published. So let's view this in a new tab. I can also copy the link here, and that is that. Can you see your app is live? So let's see, this is how it looks like. Fantastic, 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 right? If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if there is any AI tool you want me to do video on, I will actually record that video and publish it on my channel. Please make sure you watch any of my videos, and if you're new to web design as a no-code web designer, please consider watching the playlist on my channel, WordPress for beginners and Elementor for beginners. I will also put them in the description of my video so that you can watch them and get along. See you in my next video.